Hello everyone. Hope you guys are doing fine. It's been a while since I've been here with you, but meanwhile I'm back. And once again I'm Pokemon Sally by name. For those who don't know me, who have just joined my talks, welcome to my YouTube channel here on my healthy talks. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and click that notification button. Thank you. So guys, today I'm going to be talking about the reasons or the importances of why one should go for a regular medical checkup, like blood sugar, blood pressure, HIV, screening of breast and cervical cancer, and many others. Thank you. Let's get started. First and foremost, it reduces the risk of one getting sick by early detection of potential life-threatening health conditions and complications. It also increases a chance of early treatment and cure. That is to say, if at all you detect a condition or a disease, then you have to treat it, and the early the better. And thirdly, it helps in prevention of complications and diseases by cross monitoring of existing conditions. And lastly, it promotes health. So guys, endeavor to always go for regular medical checkup for your health, for your well-being, for the maintenance of your well-being. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.